In this video, let me teach you on how to find people on Facebook using their email. What you're going to do first is to add the people that you want on your contacts on your iPhone or Android, and then include your email on it. As you can see here on the screen that I've added this contact and attached their email. After adding it to your contacts, then open the Facebook app, then log into your account, tap menu button below, and then tap the gear icon at the top right corner. Now tap Account Sender under Meta. Under the account settings, tap your information and permissions. And here, tap Upload Contacts, then select your Facebook account. Next, toggle on the button beside the Upload Contacts, and then after that, tap Continue button. Most of your friends can be found through their contact information, so this will work for certain people so you can check if this feature works with you. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.